Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on a reversible satin bonnet, and I actually have an adjustable piece that I'm going to put inside of it. So yeah, I already cut everything out. I believe I have 24 inches by 24 inches for this one, so it gives me, you know, when I fold it in half, it's 12 inches, right? So I'm going to go around the perimeter of this, add me some clip to it, but I will be leaving this space that's in the front. That's going to be my opening. That way I'm able to basically turn it inside out. And of course, the shiny sides are on the inside because we really want them on the outside, you know. So I am going to take my time and I'm going to do a series of these videos. If you are interested, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, engage with this post. So yeah, I decided to use a different spool of thread because this one actually matches both of them to where it's not distracting, right? So in this video, I'm going to actually show you how I'm going to thread my machine. I'm going to put my bobbin in first. And of course, you always check the bobbin that you have and put it in the direction to the way your machine tells you to. And I put mine in place, and I'm going to add the little piece that goes on the top. Next, I'm going to take this specific thread and I am going to thread it through my machine. Okay, because this way I have my top and my bottom thread, they're going to match. Okay, so when it's time to create this project, the colors that I'm using will be the same, right? Now if you want to change them, you would just go ahead and make the bobbin the color you want, vice versa, and then lay it down. So say if one of them, I want the top to match my thread, that's the one that I will lay up. Okay, that way we got the thread on the right sides. Okay, so of course we're going to top stitch first, and the setting that I'll be using probably 9 times out of 10 is a 0 or a 1, right? So I'm going to go around the entire perimeter of this one, and I'm only going to go about 1/4 of an inch. And I'm just basically holding on to my pieces so they can go around the machine evenly, right? And that's pretty much what we want to do. So as I sew this, I like to start moving my clips away. That way I can just go ahead and once I get to the end of this project, I make sure I do a back stitch. I remove it from the machine and I cut my little threads, my top and my bottom looper thread. And as you can see, everything is completed for right now. Stay tuned to the next part.